Namaste and welcome. You know those tricky little words in English that sound exactly alike but mean completely different things? Oh, they can be such a headache, right? Well, today we're going to tackle them head-on and make sure they never confuse you again.
Just look at this. This was a real sign from an office cloakroom. And yanks. But you know what? It's such a common mistake. I think we've all been there. So if this looks a little too familiar, don't you worry. You're in very good company.
Yeah, it just feels wrong, doesn't it? But what exactly is wrong with it? And more importantly, how can we make sure we get it right every single time? All right, let's dive in and figure this out together.
So, these little tricksters actually have a proper name. And believe me, once you can name something, it becomes a whole lot less scary to deal with. So, let's decode them.
They're called homophones. It sounds a bit fancy, but it's actually super simple. It comes from two Greek words, homo, which means same, and phone, which means sound. So, same sound. But, and this is the crucial part, they have totally different meanings and different spellings. And that's exactly why they're such a challenge for pretty much everyone.
So what makes them so tricky? Well, for one, they sound identical, but their meanings are worlds apart. And when you're just hearing someone speak, you have zero visual clues, right? You're relying purely on context. Plus, let's be real, English spelling can be a bit of a mess sometimes. But the good news is I've got some really simple tricks for you that are going to make this so much easier, I promise.
All right, let's jump in with the most famous, or maybe I should say infamous, trio of them all. Seriously, if you can master this one, the rest are going to feel like a piece of cake. Okay, so each of these has a very specific job to do. There is all about a place or a location, like you're pointing over there. Then we have there, which shows ownership. It tells you something belongs to a group of people. And finally, there, which is honestly the easiest one. It's just a shortcut for saying they are.
And now for the magic tricks. Seriously, these are like little superpowers. For there, just notice that it has the word here hiding inside it. Both are about places. Easy. For there, the one about ownership, try this. Just swap it with the word our. If the sentence still makes sense, bingo, you've got it. And for there, this one's the best. Just try to say they are instead. If it fits, it's correct. If it sounds weird, it's wrong. Simple as that.
Okay, your turn. Are you ready? Chalo, let's do this. I'll give you a sentence with a blank. I think blank wrong. Take a second. Which one fits? Did you get it? It's there. Why? Because what you're really saying is, I think they are wrong. See how that they are test just slots in there perfectly? It's basically foolproof. I told you you'd get it.
Feeling good? I hope so. Let's keep that momentum going and look at a couple more of these tricky pairs that always seem to pop up.
Okay, next up. Principal versus principal. Principal with an AL at the end is either a person, like your school principal, or it means the main thing. And here's the trick you'll never forget. Your principal is your pal, your friend. But principal with an LE is a rule or a belief. And get this, principal and rule both end with LE. How cool is that?
All right, time for another quick practice. Honesty is a key blank in our family. What do you think? Is honesty your pal, or is it a rule?
It's got to be principle with an LE, because honesty is a rule. It's a belief you live by. It's definitely not a person. See, that little memory trick makes it almost impossible to get wrong. Okay, last pair for today. Stationary versus stationary. This one is all about one little letter. Stationary with an A means something is not moving. And the way to remember it is that a car can be stationary. Both have an A. Then you have stationary with an E. That's your paper, pens, envelopes, all the stuff you use to write a letter. Both have an E. Easy peasy. Okay, one last go. You've totally got this. The car remained blank at the stoplight. Is it the one with the A or the E? What do you think? It's stationary with an A, of course. The car wasn't moving. Just think of that parked C-A-R. That one little vowel is the whole secret. You guys did amazing. So let's wrap all of this up with a nice little cheat sheet. You can think of this as your new personal grammar superpower guide. So let's just quickly run through our new tricks one more time. Remember, theirs has here in it. It's a place. The principal is your pal. Stationary with an A is for a car that isn't moving. And stationary with an E is for writing a letter. That's it. Keep these little tricks in mind and you're good to go.
You've done a fantastic job today.
And now that you've got these common ones down, it kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? Which other English words still manage to trip you up? Let that question spark your curiosity to keep on learning. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll